Just a quick little update here at the Azelia Avenue crossing in near Minneapolis, Minnesota. So the grade has been completely redone a couple months ago, and there's little joint rails there on each side of the grade. And the grade right here, I just kind of realized that it was made by Omni. See right there. More like the Omni Hotel, but this is just Omni. See the train track grades coming in from Omni, and it's definitely all concrete, so like the old one was. So that's what had to happen here at this crossing after the 4 days it was been closed in late September. So also the grade right here is made by Omni too. I don't know why they're made by Omni, but it's probably some sort of crossing something grade with made by Omni, but it's first. Yeah, so this has been the update to Azelia.